Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Puerto Prinsesa International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Puerto Prinsesa. On behalf of flight deck crew headed by Captain Reyes with First Officer Hernandez and the rest of the team, we thank you for choosing Cebu Pacific, your airline of choice.
Tara, bakasyon tayo sa bayan ko, Puerto Prinsesa. Iba ka talaga.
Hello everyone! Welcome to City of Living God, Puerto Prinsesa, Palawan. Ang syudad ang Diyos nga boy. Hello tourists! My name is Chris Aragon Villastas and I'm your tour guide for today from CV Travels and Tours. So, how's your flight with our airlines? Wow, that's great! So tourists, listen as I discuss how to get there. From Puerto Prinsesa City, we will travel for almost 40 minutes going to the town of Sabang, where the Sabang boat terminal is located. So, let's go!
Bakasyon tayo sa bayan ko, Puerto Prinsesa. Iba ka talaga. Tara, bakasyon tayo sa bayan ko, Puerto Prinsesa.
This monkey will not hesitate to snatch your food. So if you're bringing bag like this, please be safe, that because they will think that it contains food. So beware and watch out for the snatchers. Tourists, keep in mind that during travel, the best payback to the community or nature is to taking care of it and not clean any trashes. Also, pay respect to the community and always be courteous. As the saying goes, keep nothing but picture, leave nothing but footprints, keep nothing but memories, and kill nothing but time. Weather update, it is now 32 degrees Celsius with 20% chance of rain. So, before we go, let's check your things. Number 1, you must have the life vest, flashlights, and hard hat. If you have it all, then we are ready. Come on, let's go! Okay, tourists, welcome to Puerto Prinsesa, Palawan, the underground river. The Puerto Prinsesa, Palawan, or the Puerto Prinsesa Subterranean River National Park, is a protected area of the Philippines, located about 80 kilometers from the north city center of Puerto Prinsesa, Palawan. The river is also called the Puerto Prinsesa Underground River. The national park is located in the St. Paul mountain range on the west coast of the island. It is bordered on St. Paul Bay to the north and the Babuyan River to the east. The city government of Puerto Prinsesa, Palawan has managed the national park since 1992. Flashlight on and take a look of this amazing rock formation. Wow, that's perfect. Oops, tourists, always remember that we are riding in a boat, so please limit your movements, okay? Okay, thank you, and here we go. Another information or additional information about the Puerto Prinsesa Underground River was officially inaugurated as one of the new 7 Wonders of Nature in April 12, 2012.
Iba ka talaga. Iba ka talaga.
COVID-19 impaired tourism. It may have angered the people whose living dependent on tourism. But in joint hands of these people, to stand as one in healing the place from this pandemic, it gives nature a break from potential over tourism. Now, the people are observing safety protocols while enjoying the nature's values. The people wear masks. The LGU work hand in hand to secure one entrance and two exit policy here in Puerto Prinsesa, Palawan. The children and the elders are kept safe at home. Together, we can fill this one. When this pandemic is over, Puerto Prinsesa Palawan Underground River is a safe haven for the visitors to relax. Hi tourists! So, looks like everyone is done freshen up, and do you have a question? So after seeing and mesmerizing in a different rock formation over the underground river, so do you have a question? Okay, I don't think that you have any question. Okay, if you don't have a question, over there we prepared some snacks or merienda that is included in your package over our Nipa house there. Okay, so guys, before I end it up, I am Chris Gonvalliostes from CB Travels and Tours saying, siasye, arigato, thank you at salamat sa muli nating pagkikita. Always remember, the Puerto Prinsesa Palawan Underground River is always open for you. Thank you!